You know that perfect Florida evening where you're just relaxing by the pool, drink in hand? What's the one thing that turns that dream into a bug-free, totally relaxing reality? It's the screen. So let's dive in and find the absolute perfect one for your home.
Oh yeah, we have all been there. You step outside on your beautiful patio, and suddenly, you are the main course on the mosquito buffet. You know, Florida living is supposed to be all about the outdoors, but those bugs, the heat, and the humidity can just ruin the vibe in a second. And that's because, let's be honest, Florida's climate is a whole different beast. Your screen isn't just a bug barrier, it's a shield. It's got to stand up to that intense UV heat that literally bakes and brittles normal materials. Not to mention the salt air and some seriously aggressive insects, from huge mosquitoes to those little invisible no-see-ums. So here's the deal. A screen that works fine up north is gonna fail, and fail fast down here.
So how in the world do you choose the right one? Well, it really just comes down to knowing your options, and we can break them all down into three main categories. First, you've got fiberglass, that's kind of the standard. Then there's polyester, which is a big upgrade, and finally, you have specialty screens which are purpose-built for very specific jobs. Think of this as our roadmap for the next few minutes.
Okay, let's kick things off with the one you're probably most familiar with, fiberglass. You can think of this as the budget-friendly baseline option for pretty much any screen enclosure.
Now within fiberglass, the most common type is your regular 1814. And that 1814 thing, it just refers to the weave. 18 little strands per inch one way and 14 the other. Its biggest selling points are, without a doubt, great airflow and the lowest upfront cost. But, and this is a big but for Florida, it has a much shorter lifespan. We're talking maybe 5-7 years, and it gets really brittle from all that sun, which means it tears a whole lot easier.
Do you happen to live near the coast? Or maybe some wetlands? Then you are definitely familiar with no-see-ums. And that is exactly where 2020 fiberglass comes in. It's got a much tighter weave to block even those tiny, sneaky biters. So what's the trade-off? Well, you do sacrifice a little bit of that breeze, and you'll get a slightly darker view, but hey, for a completely bite-free zone, it's often worth it.
So if fiberglass is the starting point, what's the upgrade? Well, let's talk about polyester screens. Honestly, for most Florida homeowners, this is the much smarter long-term investment.
And the absolute star of the polyester category is SuperScreen. We're talking at 10+ year lifespan here. It's made from this super high-strength polyester that resists punctures, wind, even a stray golf ball. Now, I know the upfront cost is a bit higher, but here's the aha moment. Paying a little more now means you completely avoid paying for a full rescreen in just 5 to 7 years. It's a true investment in your peace of mind.
Got a furry family member? Oh, then you absolutely need to know about PetScreen. This stuff is a total game changer. It's this heavy-duty vinyl-coated polyester that's, get this, 7 times stronger than standard mesh. It is specifically designed to stop tears from claws and paws. The smart strategy here is to just install it in the lower panels and on screen doors, you know, the high-impact zones.
Okay, so we've covered bugs and durability. But what if you have a really specific problem you need to solve? Well, that brings us to our third category. These are the purpose-built specialty screens. First up is something called Florida Glass. This is basically a vinyl laminated fiberglass that gives you this opaque, kind of blurred look for privacy. It's also awesome for keeping dirt, grass clippings, and water splash off your pool deck. But listen up, here is the one critical rule, and I can't stress this enough. It has zero airflow. That means it can only be used on vertical walls. Never, ever put it on a roof. It would just trap water and cause some serious damage. Two other specialty screens are total game changers. For those patios that just get blasted by the sun all afternoon, there's solar mesh. It can block up to 95% of UV rays, which dramatically cools your space and protects your furniture from fading. Then, for the ultimate peace of mind when storm season rolls around, there's OmegaTech's Hurricane Fabric. This isn't just a screen, it's a Kevlar-blended, code-compliant shield that can actually protect your home from impacts and debris.
Okay, I know that was a lot of info, so this chart here breaks it all down for you. You can see everything at a single glance: durability, airflow, cost, and what it's best for. See how SuperScreen really hits that sweet spot of amazing durability and great airflow? That's what makes it such a fantastic all-around choice for us here in Florida.
All right, we've looked at all the data. Now let's turn all that information into a decision. How do you find the perfect match for your home and your lifestyle? It really is as simple as asking yourself a few key questions. Is sticking to a budget your #1 priority? Then standard fiberglass is your best bet. Do Do you absolutely despise those tiny little bugs and you live near the water? The no-see-um is the answer. Do you want it to last over 10 years so you can just set it and forget it? That's SuperScreen. Got dogs or cats? You're gonna need PetScreen on those lower panels. And if your neighbors are a little too close for comfort, Florida glass on the sidewalls is the way to go.
You know, this right here is probably the most important takeaway of all. There is no single best screen that works for everybody. There is only the best screen for your specific home, your budget, and how you live. But after working on thousands of enclosures all across Florida, we do have a professional recommendation, kind of a pro tip that works beautifully for most people.
We call it the hybrid approach, and it really does give you the absolute best of all worlds. Here's how it works. You use SuperScreen on the roof and the main walls for incredible longevity and a beautiful clear view. Then, on any sides where you want some privacy from neighbors, you install Florida glass. And for those high-traffic screen doors that take a constant beating, you use the ultra-durable PetScreen. This combo creates an enclosure that is perfectly and smartly tailored to your life.
At the end of the day, your screen enclosure isn't just some structure. It's a huge part of your Florida lifestyle. Choosing the right mesh means fewer bugs, way better durability, and many more years of enjoying your outdoor space to the absolute fullest. If you're looking to plan out that perfect combination for your home, the team here at Screen Factory Florida would be happy to help you make the right call.